Hello friends, welcome to TubeReview. Today I am going to be unboxing Apple Watch Series 3. Here you can see it comes in a nice rectangular box. Just to clarify, this is the Apple Watch Series 3 38mm case, Space Grey Aluminium with black sport band. So let's open up this one. Now we can have a look at what's inside. Designed by Apple in California, and here are some booklets with some instructions and paperwork. And very important, it's a watch strap and charging cable. So here we have the Apple Watch. Let's have a look. It's beautifully wrapped in plastic. The information on the bottom is 38mm Series 3 Apple Watch, Aluminium case and GPS variant. This is so pretty and a slick design. It's very awesome. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe my channel and thanks for watching.